Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by quickly assessing the damage so you know what to fix. Is it a lifted seam, a tear, or a bubble? Remove dust and loose paper with a soft cloth and cut away badly frayed edges with a sharp blade so repairs sit flat. Apply adhesive under the lifted edge with a syringe or small brush. This reaches glue where your fingers cannot. Once the glue spreads, press the paper down and use a seam roller to expel air and ensure full contact. Now focus on alignment and blending. If you need a patch, take a matching scrap and cut it to the exact pattern repeat so seams disappear. Make a backing slit behind the wall if necessary to tuck raw edges. Smooth adhesive evenly and maintain a small 0.5 cm overlap to prevent lifting. Use a seam roller from the center outward to push out bubbles while keeping pattern alignment intact. Wipe away glue with a damp sponge so you finish by trimming any excess paper with a new blade for a crisp edge. Then smooth again and let the repaired area dry for 24 hours. Make sure the room stays stable and draft-free so the adhesive cures uniformly. Once dry, lightly clean the surface and inspect the pattern continuity. If a bubble or lift reappears, inject adhesive under the spot, press with a seam roller, and wait it until set. This usually resolves residual lifting without removing panels or rewall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.